aka mma na anyị ga-afụ na ọnụ tata na olu Igbo maka na kọmputa anaghị ede azụ bụ ihe ị ga-eti ihe nye kọmputa anaghị ede nye ọjọ olu Igbo ji bụrụ ọgbara Igbo garịa ụmụ ntụpọ dị iche iche kọmputa arụbeghị ụdị aha aṅụrị ka aṅị ntụpọ n'elu kọmputa amabeghị ede nke a ihe a ga-eji wee si n'aha Nathaniel Uzoma Prince, the President General Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest and the prominent member of Imobi Ohaneze worldwide. Ewe na-asị ka eji dọkịta na-akwa edemede na asụsụ Igbo n'ụzọ ije ka ọ bụrụ enyemaka anyị nwabụ ndị isi ndị Igbo n'ụzọ ije ga na-agbakwunye ka ahụ na asụsụ Igbo agaghị anwụ ka ndị na-ebu amụma ọga si ebu amụma ọga maka anyị na-asị na amụma ọga na asụsụ Igbo agaghị abụ nke ga-abụ agaghị asụsụ ya asụ ibido n'onye isi anyị niile bụ the President General Prince Nathaniel Uzoma ezigbo nwasị Osumenyi wee bịa ụwa Nnewi nke na Anambra steeti.
Ndị Igbo bịakwa n'ebe a ka onye ọbụla ihe ahụ otu onye mara nwunye ya enwere ihe mere ijiri mụọ anyị kpọọ anyị ndị Igbo anyị wụrụ ndị Igbo enwere ihe mere ijiri mụọ anyị wụrụ onye na-atọ mba o nwere ihe mere ijiri mụọ anyị wụrụ ndị ụwa niile na-akpụ n'ọnụ enwere ihe ijiri mụọ anyị wụrụ ndị ụwa niile na-asọpụrụkwa maka onye ọbụla a na-atụrụ ụjọ a na-asọpụrụ ya Chineke nna biko bịa mere anyị ebere anyị nwere onwe gị na-adebe n'ọgba nke ime ebere nye ndị oyibo na-akpọ throne of your mercy ime ebere onye nwe mme ebere namata anyị n'ụzọ dị iche iche anyị mejere gị ma okwu anyị ma ọdịdị ihe anyị nke dị iche iche mana gị nwa ahụ Chineke kpọpụtara ọkpara nsọ nwụọ n'izi anyị ya nwụọ maka ọbara nke ahụ ga-esi n'aka anyị n'aka ịkpa n'aka ụkwụkwụkwụkwụkwụkwụ n'ube nke amụrụ n'aka na okpu ogwe kpuru n'isi ha nche n'aha Jizọs n'ihi nke anyị niile wụ ndị Igbo ma ụmụ anyị mụtara amụta anyị nwetara onwe anyị n'aha Jizọs Chineke nna marakwa na enweghị akụ ọbụla i nyere onye Igbo ga-akwụsị akụ na ụba ịnọ so onye nwaanyị were akụ na ụba anya n'aha Jizọs enwekwe ndụ ogologo i nyere anyị na ga-akwụsị ndụ ogologo n'ihi nke anyị na-ayọ were ndụ ogologo anyị n'aha Jizọs anyị na-ayọkwa nna ọchịchị na a na-ekwu ihe ya eru anyị aka Naijiria ga-arị mma inye anyị Naijiria gị na-emebi a sị wụrụ ọchịchị n'aha Jizọs biko ọ bụ ihe ka anyị na-ayọ Chineke onye ọbụla kwere ekwe Chineke na onye kere n'igwe na ala anyị ekpeela ihe ndị a masị gị bịa duo anyị zi anyị ụzọ eziokwu zi anyị ụzọ ihe ọma zi anyị ụzọ anyị ga-eji kwere na mgbe ọhụrụ na mmadụ bi n'ime ihe ka ọ were ịwụ nwa ị ga-awụ mbidoro ogede enwe isi Chineke wepụrụ anyị ihe ndị a n'aha Jizọs nga ọrụ onye Igbo bidoro ihe ibi ahụ kwade ọwụdụ apụta mana Chukwu bido onye nke a na-akpọ duruzo ọwụdị ebidoro n'ogede enwe isi Chineke na-abịa wepụrụ anyị ha n'aha Jizọs were obi ịdị otu were obi ịhụnanya duo anyị nke kacha mkpa ihe niile anyị biri ime taa ka ọ gaa n'udo ụmụaka ndị anyị na-enye ugo dị iche iche na iji kpọrọ ahụ ụgwọ akwụkwọ Chineke na gị ime ebere biko gaa na-akpọ onye ọbụla nga n'utu ya ma ndị bịara ma ndị na-abịara abịa ka onye ọbụla wepụta obi eme ihe ọ ga-awe eme ma nkwa ọ kwere ekwe Chineke eme ya ihe niile ndị Igbo na-eme na-agara anyị n'ihu n'aha Kraịst na Onyenwe anyị ebe Chukwu ebe ọrụ mmadụ na-emehie egbo mmadụ na-ekwugheri ewu Chineke na-ebe ọrụ mmadụ okwu gị niile bụ eziokwu.
Thank you,
Ohaneze Southwest ọhịa bụ ndewonu nna anyị ukwu our president but our patron ị ga-eburu ọjị our president m ga-ebunye gị ga-ewere go the president Southwest mbunye gị bunye our patron ebunyezie our national president ihe awa ọjị nshi n'ime ụlọ bupụta ha nyere m dote ndewonu Ohaneze mma mmadụ.
Round of applause for her. The mother in the house.
Ohaneze. Ohaneze. Igwebike.
Ụmụnne m ama na anya m aka nke unu ọ na-afụgonu ka ọjị si wee bịa ana m eburu ọjị a na-ebunye Chief Sir Oliver Gubeze onye bụ the grand patron of Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Aha, the president, Amen. Anatala Mawachi, the president of presidents, Yagazere. Igbo Queen. Ohaneze Queen. Ohaneze Queen. Archie Adelutelemaka of the grand patron of Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest. Madonna Jeff Pilenana come on the person. So that you never can get a man cause. I am on the Ohaneze Southwest with the lodge. I talk on a happy way, equal Sergia. Ndinile make me up Ohaneze Southwest in Georgia. Before I had to be there, there was yet when you shy Bruno Wanile. Bossy, Yawa Ikezi, Obriage Wayaka, or Paniage Wayacho, yes, everywhere. Or Paniebe allocate the power to somebody. I enjoy Kai Bruachia. The whole presidents of Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest now Honajia. Very good. Abu Nahubeonaka. Ayo Lekwaji maka nna anyị Chisco ihe anyị ji na-ekwu maka ihe ọ ga-ewepụta taa ọ ga-ewere otu project maka Dr. Bonna Mama Lekwaji
About this is Southwest, only live in the Southwest. And I reverend. I'm being a last in the church, Nancy, Ohaneze. The Mama Nandes and the check. So, I think we does it all better. It's very easy. I got here again. The Papa about you. I got here also. I'm only sitting under the party. Daddy, before I go to Aji. Onya Abuburu, the deputy president of Ohaneze presidents worldwide before. Yeah, they approved here the ED. Mahawk for ED cabotage and the massa. I go to Aji because I go to Chairman. So I go see about the Gaparazi, Isian 9, my band. I got here. That's the home body of my home. Igbo kwenu, lienu, wonu. Oh, menani. Etu esi eme ya. Ogosikwa n'ife anyị wee bụrụ ndị Igbo. Maka anyị na-asọpụrụ ọjị n'ụdị dị iche. Epekakwanụ m, mana asị na ọkụ agụnyelụ nwata n'aka ada anyị n'aka ya. President Ohaneze. Onye isi anyị gburugburu onye ihe ya na-amasị anyị nke ọma ụmụ mmadụ obibo na Lagos nwere akpọ na ọza anyị na-ekele gị wee na-asị na ọjị aga n'ije niile o kwesịrị ịga wee na-ewerụzi ya wee na-enyefe gị n'aka iwala ya ọjị ọ gwazie ya ife ga-esi wee ndị ozi Igbo mmaman oke Igbo mmaman n'ụjọkwa ndị nwanyị mmamanụ n'ụjọkwa I'm a man of people. So Adam Sean or not in him. Ajaba Igbo. You be wait Raji. Abi Hama. Oyadiri Igbo man. Oyadiri Nigeria man. Oyadiri man why man working. Ihe a na-arị n'ihe abịarịta ọjọọ dịrị anyị mma Igbo ja na-eje n'ihu ibe ndị iro n'ụwa amaghị ahụ anyị ihe anyị bụ ndị na-eje njem ibe ọbụla anyị jere ọba akpata udo ọhịa anyị na-ekpere ndị na-anyị mụrụ anyị ọjọọ dịrị n'ụma unu ja na-amụ na-azụ anyị adịghịkwanụ ndị nwoke anyị ga na-ejekwe n'ije n'aka n'afọ anyị oke Igbo mmamanụ ndụ anyị o Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Our father, the President General Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide. Please, a round of applause for him again. Ohaneze Southwest Youth Organization. Ohana Batubua, Ununani, Unugahu, Hapu, White, in solidarity. His Excellency, the President General Ohaneze Worldwide, Dr. Emu Gariwe, you're very most welcome. The President of Ohaneze Southwest, the Grand Patron of Ohaneze Southwest, other distinguished members of the high table,
ụmụnne m ndị Igbo niile nọ ebe a ekele m unu ndị eze ndị igwe ndị yut niile asị biko onye ma nke ochie ya zabụ for me this function is a very important one. I'm sure that's precisely why the President General thought it fit to travel all the way from Enugu to grace this auspicious occasion. Why I consider it very important because it is something that is very literary. It is something that is scholarly. It is something that is documentary. Something that tells us who we are as a people, where we are coming from, and where we are going to. This is not an era where people write books because values are fallen. When we see a young man in the person of Anosike, the writer of this book, who has taken so much pains to chronicle the history of the Igbo people, we must salute him. It becomes incumbent on us to salute him for a job well done. Because with this book, he's leaving a legacy for Igbos yet unborn. I want to personally commend the writer, and I want to tell him that he should not be discouraged. As a matter of fact, I'm a bit surprised that we have this large crowd gathered here. Oftentimes when you go to book lunches, you don't see people. Because our people are no longer desirous, willing to read. But I want us to remember that one of the greatest Igbo sons that ever lived was the late Chinua Achebe. And he propagated the Igbo culture and tradition worldwide. So today I stand here as a proud Igbo son to identify with this particular work. I'm also very, very, very elated by the title of this book. It says 100 Years of Amalgamation. Igbo, what hope in Nigeria? It's a pertinent question. Very engaging question. What hope in Nigeria? Okay, one of us in Abata, the prayer warrior, the one that opened this session with the prayers, could be very instructive. He said, na my mama say Abi Igbo. My mama say Abi Igbo. Unfortunately, that is something that is prevalent today. If you travel abroad, all that is surprising for you to know that Ndi Igbo in America speak more Igbo to their children in the US than those of us who know in Nigeria. Manono for Nigeria today. The Nigeria we have today is such that if you don't project your own, you are dead. And we ask ourselves, I do not see any tribe that should be more proud of their tribe than the Igbos. We are a very successful tribe. We are a proud people. We are proud not because we are stupidly proud, because our pride is born out of achievement. I make bold to say that anywhere Nigerians who are more patriotic, those who believe more in the unity and oneness of Nigeria, is the Igbos. Because the Igbos have, and you know as much as I do, that the Bible says, where a man's treasure lies, that's where his heart lies. I was reading a book. Ediro wrote it.
Nasi, that if you go to any place in this world, if you don't see an Igbo man, pack your things and go. That place is not habitable. Then the question is, what hope in Nigeria? I think we should be the most hopeful people anywhere in this country. There's hope because our investments are in Nigeria. There's hope because we are resilient. There's hope because we are hardworking people, terribly hardworking people. There's hope because as it stands today, and I make bold to say it, we have a government, the government of President Goodluck Jonathan, that is committed to the welfare and the political development of the Igbo people. Had a president that is as passionate as this president in developing and identifying with the cause of the Igbo people. I don't know because it is expedient to say it now. I'm saying it because all the backed by facts. Yes. Today, I was listening to, I think one of these media who start flying to Los Angeles, who start going to Qatar, and few other countries. So they started counting the airports where these airlines will take off from. And they mentioned Enugu Airport. For the Igbo man, it is very, very, very key because he's a businessman, first of all. From Enugu there, he can link the world to do his business. Under this regime, we're seeing the progressive and steady construction of the second Niger Bridge. And you know too well that our sons and daughters are occupying very strategic positions in government. So politically, there is hope. Under this regime, Kaimwelo, first, that never happened before. I went Chief of Army Staff, who is an Igbo son. So politically, there is hope because the standard is already there. The genes, so to say, has been broken. So if you have a system that is politically friendly, politically moral impediments that are created, and you have a resilient people, you have people who are commercially oriented, then we can say very conveniently that the hope for the Igbo man is very bright. But there's something we need to do. All of these gifts, we have to bring it together in a united way. I joined other Igbo writers, up-and-coming Igbo writers. Thank God the likes of Chinua Achebe, they've gone, but somehow God has brought people that will continue after him. Chimamanda Adichie is doing wonderfully all over the world, and we know the Peter Anosike's and others are still in the office. I thank you all and God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir.
Ohaneze
Ndigbo.
Igbo Mama.
Yeah.
Igbo Kwenu.
Yeah.
Igbo Pezuanu.
Yeah.
Address delivered by High Chief Prince Nathaniel Mechuzoma, the President Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest, on the occasion of book launch and presentation of checks to the beneficiaries of the scholarship program of the body today, 21st day of November 2014 at Lagos. The President General Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide, Chief Gary Igariwe, you are welcome, sir. The chairman of the occasion, Chief Barrister Magoyeso Ugumba, you are welcome, sir. The Grand Patron of Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest, Chief Sir Oliver Kubese, you are welcome, sir. The founder Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest, Dr. Gogo Alugo. No, sir. the traditional rulers here present, fellow executive members of Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest, the writer of this book, 100 Years of Amalgamation, Igbo's What Hope, who is also the publicity secretary of Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest, Peter Anosike, and thank you so much. The woman leader of Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest, Chief Mrs. Kate Onyechi. The youth leader. Youth! Action! Youth! Action! Action! Youth! You, Johnny Messies, will also guide their return in Jesus' name. If you recall, the present Ohaneze Ndigbo Southwest Executives was inaugurated on the 30th day of November 2013 in Ekiti State. On that day, a special program titled 100 million naira scholarship fundraising for indigent youth was included in the program of the event. While thanking those who responded to our call on that day, it is pertinent to note that what we realized was a meager form, so compared with what we intend to do. However, from the little we have received so far, we shall be giving out checks to the beneficiaries today. These beneficiaries were carefully selected and thoroughly screened, after which an examination was conducted in all the 6 states of the zone to determine the successful candidates. I give kudos to the members of the committee who handled this enormous task. God bless you. Today, at least 2 persons in each of the Southwest zone will benefit from this year's edition, while more are to benefit the subsequent years, depending on the fund available to us. Let me, in a special way, thank our illustrious son, Peter Anosike, who, out of passion in what we are doing and gives benefit to our youth, donated a book written by him titled 100 Years After Amalgamation, Igbo's What Hope in Nigeria. We agreed with him to publish, launch, and channel the proceeds of the book to the scholarship program. Please, a round of applause for him. The direct benefit of the content, and 2, the benefit of the proceeds to our youth. If I am right by my assertion, I therefore implore you, distinguished invitees, to donate bountifully to this idea, as it will go a long way in ensuring that our children are not out of school due to poverty. First, on our youth today, we stand to enjoy the benefit tomorrow. An idle man's mind is a devil's workshop. A responsible and fully engaged young man cannot have the time to participate in thuggery, terrorism, armed robbery, and other forms of social vices. So, my dear listeners, let us contribute to make our youth great, so that the rich and even the poor can sleep with their 2 eyes closed. We appreciate in a very high measure the contributions of the former Ekiti State Governor, Dr. Kayode Fayemi, who had earlier donated the sum of 5 million naira to this project. Please, a round of applause for him. Our salute also goes to the former Anambra State Governor, Peter Obi, and the host of others, which space will not permit me to mention. May the Almighty God bless you for your contributions in this project. And God bless.
Please, another round of applause for the President of Ohaneze Southwest.
eziokwu anyị nọ n'Igbo pete akwụkwọ edere n'okwu bekee
So no jani mo here. Ama tuokorum asuku beke na maswa wana beke. Tibo mamano. Mamano. I am happy to be in your midst this afternoon. Anytime I have the opportunity to be with our people, I always see it as a great opportunity to always send a message. And the message is very, very important for our people. Nkembo, I know my friends love me too much, but they have dashed me something I do not have. I was addressed as Chief Dr. Gary Igariwen. That doctor is not even in bracket because I have not been dashed. I have not earned one and I have not been dashed one. So I am not doctor. I am Chief Najon Igariwen. So I thank you, my friends, for that which maybe by the time I round up, I'm still a young man. Yes. I'll go back. I have a master's degree. I didn't go for that to do a PhD. Maybe I can still go and earn one. Yes, sir. Because it's good to earn one, not to be dashed one, especially when you have done work enough. To Mr. Nosike, I took time to read his book, Ndigbo, 100 Years of Amalgamation. I could see somebody who was burning in his zeal. He wanted to say everything about the Igbo man. He touched every aspect, how wonderful we are. Of course, yes, that's true. He touched on can do it kind of philosophy of Igbo. Yes, of course. He was not exaggerating anything. But in all of this, for instance, if you look at the aspects that tried to get into, so many nations have fought wars. I don't know how many of you were here during the war. But you see that the rate our people recovered, the Red Cross started sending food after the war. But after just 3 months, they didn't see any person to give the food to. Because our people had escaped from the refugee camps and followed the people who conquered them to wherever they were going to. Because, not because they were Anambra people, not because they were Igbo people. It is a general attitude, an attribute our people have, something we've continued to defend and guide all the things. But there's a problem here. We are great people, there's no doubt about it. Anywhere you go to in the world. A few months ago, I was in Virginia, Stanton, Virginia. It was in the commemoration of, it was symbol in recognition of the founding fathers of modern America. They recognized the Irish village, the German village, the European village, and then the West African frontier, where the slaves came from. And you know what they did? That one was named the Igbo village. And according to them, they said it was in recognition to the fact that the Igbos were special slaves. I also took the opportunity to go to the estate of Jefferson, the man, the author of the American statement that stated, the American version that stated that all men were born equal and should be treated equal before God. There in the museum. In fact, if you had an Igbo slave and you sent him, he will ask for one. That was how much he appreciated these people, that he even went beyond just having them as slaves. He also decided to engage in some other relationships. You understand what I mean? And he had descendants from those women. Those women were Igbo women. And that is why today, the living descendants of this man, Jefferson, are not whites, they are colored people. And when you go there, the creators will always tell you about that. So that is how wonderful you are. I didn't just start now. But how do we harness these things? For instance, if you look at Nigeria the way it is, we are the most dispersed people in this country. We are in every part of this country. We have investments. In fact, to a large extent, we have decided to invest too much outside of our own base, to the detriment of our own people. That is why, in the last few years, in the last 2 years, in the last 2 Igbo days, I have concentrated on telling our people that yes, you are great people, but yes, you can also think home and try to develop our place. And so that we are not those people who go about all over the world investing everywhere, but even when you are not liked in the place, you still insist and keep investing. And that is why when issues arise in this country, they didn't have where to put their things. But some of them had houses in Maiduguri, but did not have a bungalow at home. That is not an example of good thinking. And I insist that our people should try to channel this same energy and start to think home occasionally. It is extremely important that we become strategic in our investments so that our efforts over time will not be in vain. That is that. 100 years, Nigeria 100 years after, it is important we do not have too many options. In fact, if we lost lives during the war, it should be a reason for us to say, in this country we must have it, whether you like it or not. That is the option open to us. If that is true, then we must have hope in that unit where we make our investments. That is why I think that there is any person who should make all of the sacrifices in keeping Nigeria warm, or who has made it, it is the Igbo people. And I think other Nigerians know it. If any person doubts it, we all come from our rural areas. You can count many communities in Igbo land where only natives live. You don't find any outside. In my place, apart from some outside people who are into the beef business, we don't have any other people from other areas. And that is the way it is. And that's the way it is in many other places. Now, the problem of harnessing these strengths we have since we go about our places, is that we are not united in leadership. The greatest problem we have in Igbo land is leadership. Even in your town unions, every Igbo man wants to be leader at the same time. It is impossible. And that is the reason for fights everywhere. Because our people will always want attachments. It is our nature. But we can solve that problem by trying to come in, by trying to learn. We can't keep doing the same thing every time. I met with Igbo leaders in the north in Agora Hotel about the mountain. I told them, yes, you're all great people. But I'm so ashamed. Every time when I come, petitions, even my phone here, this person is writing, this person is saying he was the first person to form association. The other one said the other man came, ran an election and failed and went and formed another thing. Our people are fond of titles. It is this fight that is making it easy for people to really engage us and defeat us even in our wisdom. So one clear message. If we agree that every person can be leader at the same time, there is no harm in aspiring towards leadership. But you should give support to whoever finds space in there so that we can work as a team. That is the greatest problem we have Because if I follow the review, if I follow the book like I read it, he talked about too many things that should make the Igbo man proud. And that's just the problem we have, leadership.